welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Do like and share. Today we are going to discuss Select PLC. That is one type of PLC, guys, used in every industry for automation. So today we will discuss CellPro 5.3.7 version. Okay, by giving double click it will open. So CellPro PLC, Select is the PLC name and CellPro is the company. Okay, so see here, guys, this is file and this is view, help and communication. So now we are going to check the file. Okay, after one by one I will show you. Go to file and click on new. If you are pressing Ctrl N also it will get. Click on new. Here we have the model number according to your module, means if you are connecting the hardware module. We are seeing today only the simulation process. We are not connecting any module. We are not doing any hardware connection. We are seeing the simulation connection, means we are just, it's like a paper. Whatever we have in the mind we are going to implement in the paper. So here this display, this PLC is acting as a paper which is used for checking the connection right or wrong. Okay, so here we have some model number. I will tell you one by one. Today we are going to discuss 1010X, means here the default is mm. Okay, the default is, the model number default is mm 10101 or 10102. See, this depends on the number of inputs and output, guys. Okay, so I will select one mm10101. Okay, so I will click on that and see here you have to type the name of your project. Today I will show AND gate. Okay, I will write my project AND gate. If you need that AND gate, how to write it, how to do the ladder diagram, then you can go for my video. Next, you have to compulsory, you have to give the location. So I given C drive. And next, go to next. Path is compulsory, guys. When you are downloading the PLC, you have to give the path. Here we have some settings. For simulation purpose, no need to do these settings because these are default settings only, so no need to do. If you want to check the setting, you can check it. See, in communication settings we have slave ID, baud rate ID, parity bit, stop bit and word length. Okay, here you can check one by one. Holding registers, these are no need to do any settings. We are not doing any hardware communication. Even if you are doing the hardware communication also, just we are seeing the baud rate and communication port only. Okay, so go for PC setting. Debug settings also we no need to do edit. Okay, all settings, editor, if you want to change the name, these are the default colors they are given. Okay, go for next or go for finish. I will go for finish. See here, this is the display to represent your ladder diagram. These all PLC is in ladder diagram only. There is no function blocks. The programming, there is some programming language in that. Ladder diagram is the one programming language. Okay, so here go for file, edit, view, insert, compile, HMI, settings, communication, simulation, windows or help. These are the bars. These are the tools which we are going to use by when we are designing our circuit diagram. Okay, so these are main helpful tools, guys. See, this is horizontal line, means this represent as a wire. We can't say this is line, this is wire. Okay, so this is horizontal wire, we have to take for horizontally, and this is vertical wire. This is NO switch, this is NC switch. Any sensors or any switches we are representing in this thing only, NO or NC. This is positive triggering and this is negative triggering. This is also one type of switch. This is empty coil. This empty coil is acting as a load, means you can take as a motor, you can take as a contactor, you can take as a lamp, you can take anything load. Okay, this is set and this is reset. This is your jumper horizontally and vertically. Now I will take our wire. This is vertical wire I will take. Why? Because if I am giving the connection of the wire, the switches should not touch. Okay, now again I will give some wire with distance and again I will take one switch. We are designing AND gate. So for AND gate we need two switches in NO condition only. We should not take NC condition. Okay, so I taken two switches in NO condition and I will take. By clicking this one you can take it, guys. See, this red indicates that you are moving like this. If you are keeping here, if you keeping here, what happen, this line will come here. So you have to check this red indication compulsory. Now I am giving red indication here and I will connect load. Okay, now I will give the address for this. Here by using double click, use your mouse, compulsory mouse is required. Okay, by giving double click you can write here variable name, or in default name you can select it by giving right click here. Okay, so DI0, here we have 8 inputs and 5 outputs. So DI0, DI1, DI2 up to DI7 acting as a input, means any switches you can take it. D0 is acting as a output, so I will give DI0 and DI1. So two switches I taken, means S1 and S2, and one output. Okay, so the condition of AND gate already you know. What is the condition? In 0 0 condition it is 0 only, 0 1 condition it is 0, and 1 0 condition it is 0 only. When it become 1 1 it is 1. Okay na, means 1 is in output, it is enable. So for to simulate this one, it is to check this is right or wrong, go for simulation, run and offline. Okay, we are not doing online, we are doing offline. See here guys, you can check here your percentage is, you can check in down, simulation is happening. Wait for some time when simulation is happening, because it will check your connection. Okay, so these indicates off condition. Default condition means you are not touching the circuit. In default condition it is 0. When you are pressing this switch S1 is acting as a 0 and this one is 1. See, 1 means you are enabling the circuit, you are giving the force, and again keep in same position even though it is not getting on. Again you have to 1 and this is 0, means you are enabling, you are giving the enable switch, means switch is getting on but this switch is not on, that's why your output is off. Now you have to keep in again default condition. Now give 1 1. 1 1 means you are making both the switch at a time on. Okay, when you are keeping 1 1, when you are pressing the switch DI0 and DI1, what happen, your output getting on. Okay, so to off this condition again we have to go for simulation and stop. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this one, tomorrow I will take with large circuit and with all the specific components and with all the specific tools. Okay.